In this video, I will show you how to check the coolant temperature gauge and sending unit on the AT450. First, unplug the connector shown here. There is a single tab on the bottom of the connector. Once the connector is unplugged, start the machine. We are going to be using a multimeter to test the resistance. With your multimeter set to measure ohms, put the positive lead into pin 2.4. If the tab is on top, the pin should be on the bottom right, then ground the negative lead. The reading you get is explained by this table here. As the engine heats up, the resistance goes down. The behavior column explains what the display temperature gauge will show. To test the sending unit, do a similar process and put the positive lead onto the sending unit, then ground the negative lead. This reading can be explained by the same table shown before.